Hello, bonjour. Richard Abbey and Dejnakas. Bodewad and Dao. Shishi Beniak, the Bendegwes. Hello, my name is Richard Abbey. I am the owner and operator of Shke Zheské family farm. This is my intro video. I'm just starting. We're trying to put together a Patreon page. We have a lot of exciting things going on this year. We have the Shke Zheské squash, ancient squash that we are attempting to help bring back, and as well as red flint, Ojibwe red flint corn, Potawatomi red-seeded watermelons, Potawatomi pole beans, and Ninsima Ojibwe tobacco. We're excited to be working this year and trying to really boost production. We are a seed partner with the Shke Zheské Foundation, and I look forward to working with you all in the future. Thank you. Miigwech.